Hi guys, welcome to Coding Beetle. So Java divides the operators into the groups like arithmetic operators, assignment operators, comparison operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators. In this video, we will be learning about arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform common mathematical operations like addition to add two numbers, subtractions to subtract the value from another number, multiplication to multiply two values, division, that is to divide one value by another, module, that is return the division remainder, increase the increment operator, that is increase the value of a variable by 1, and decrement operator, that decreases the value of a operator by 1. So let's first do with the additional operator. So let it be int a, and that would be 2 plus 3. So it would be 5, and let's run it and show. Here you can see we got 5. Now let's do the same thing for subtraction, and we'll put a subtraction operator and let's run it. Here you can see 2 minus 3, we are getting minus 1 as 2 is less than minus 3. And let's go further with multiplication operator, and let's multiply 2 with 3 and get the value of the outcome. Here you can see 2 into 3 is 6. Now let's do division, that is divisional operator. To do divisional operator, we use value, then slash, and then the value that should be divided with, that would be 3 by 2. Here you can see we got 1 because we can divide 3 with 2 only one times. And let me give 5 here and then divide it. Now we will get 2 as 5 can be divided with 2 times. And to get the remainder of the value, we will need the modulus. Now the modulus is the percentage sign, and let's divide it with 2, and now you can see we'll get the remainder, that is 1. Here you can see we got the remainder 1. And the thing that I said about increment operator is, let's take a value, or let's take two values, that is a equals 2 and b equals 3, and let's do the output. That would be plus plus a, that would increase a with 1, and plus plus, or let it be minus minus b, that would decrease the value of b by 1. And here there is an error, so let's take something new, and now let's run it. You can see here the value of x we are getting 3 because it is incremented by one value, and the value of b we are getting 2 because it is decremented by one value. So these are the arithmetic operators in Java, and in the next video we will discuss about assignment operators. So till then, take care and goodbye.